Good morning, you're Robert Simon. Mr. Simon, were you able to get someone hired?
I'm working on your honor. I'm gonna help around Kimber, but I am working now.
Okay, good.
Yeah, just to verify that. Be calling verify. Yeah.
Where are you working?
CNS free service.
Say it again.
CNS free service.
Okay,
Got his card, got his number.
good. That's good. Now, thank you for doing that. And so do you think you're going to be able to save up and get an attorney now?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do that. The thing is, like Ralph, he works for $2,000. I do.
Right.
You know, I mean,
How much are you making? What's your,
right now, it's by the job.
okay.
So, I mean, I don't.
All right, so I'm going to have you fill out some paperwork, Mr. Simon, to see if you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. You need to fill it out accurately and completely, because you're going to swear under oath that it's all true and correct, and then I'll take a look at it. Step in front of the clerk. Brad Thibodeau. Good morning, you're Brad Thibodeau. And Mr. Thibodeau, did you get someone hired?
No, ma'am. I haven't even got a job yet, just got down that transportation.
You just got what, I'm sorry?
Transportation.
Okay,
It's gonna be it.
you did. And, did you at least call some attorneys and, or,
No, ma'am, I thought you wanted me to get a job first.
well, I probably told you that, but I probably also told you that in the meantime, go ahead and call attorneys so you at least know how much they charge and things like that. So you're prepared when you get employment or some money to get someone hired, right?
Yes, ma'am. Give me a little more time, I have a job and so.
Where have you been? You were supposed to bring me proof of applying for jobs. Where have you been looking for jobs?
Got Winnie and the Torque, I just got a vehicle going. So I'm planning on going to, I don't know what Bechtel bike repairs.
Okay. Have you done that in the past?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you talked to them?
Vehicle, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it.
When?
Hopefully this week.
I'm going to reset your case 2 weeks. You need to do what I asked you to, because if you don't, you're going to end up going to jail in 2 weeks.
Okay.
I appreciate that you got a vehicle, but that wasn't one of my court orders. My court orders was apply to at least 5 jobs a week.
Yes.
It was to talk to some attorneys. And so you need to at least bring me proof of a job, or that you are trying to get a job, and that you've talked to some attorneys
Okay.
in 2 weeks. Step in front of the clerk. Okay. See, Judge Walker on David Biano.
It should be both of this morning.
Okay, I'll hold it. Mr. Bradford, you have Marquise Berry.
Yes, ma'am. I need the media. I haven't got the media yet. Was Barry?
Good morning, you're Marquise Berry. And this is 25 DCCR 0882. Miss Berry is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I need one more reset. I've got the paper discovery. I have visited with Ms. Berry on the phone, but I need to get the media. I've put in the media request, but I just haven't received it yet.
Okay. All right, and if you'll check on that, Mr. Nicholas, if you don't mind, see where that is in the process, and we'll reset it so you can get that and get an announcement the next court date. Stay in touch with Mr. Radford so that when he does get that information, you can go in and visit with him and see all of that before that next court date.
Thank you, Judge.
Free to go. See, Mr. Price, on Dale Johnson, 3 cases. Okay. Okay, let me.
Judge.
Good morning, you're Dale Johnson. And Ms. Johnson's 3 cases are set for trial To begin with jury selection, next Monday, what is the announcement?
The announcement is not ready, Judge. The defense was notified late last week by the state that the state's come into possession of some video files that relate to our complaining witnesses. As of now, the defense has not had access to these videos. I understand that they may be Brady materials, and in order to provide effective assistance, we need time to analyze these videos, Judge.
And if I may, Your Honor, they were unexpected. They were delivered to our investigator.
Go ahead.
Who has been working to download them and so that we can make them available both to Mr. Price and also to me. I don't know what the contents are.
And where did they come from? I'm sorry.
From the mother of the complaining witnesses. And so I don't know if there's Brady material there.
Yeah.
I don't know what's there, but out of an abundance of caution, I notified Attorney Price, and we need to take care of that.
Okay. Obviously, I'm gonna let you guys do that. But if you'll let the family know, let everybody know, this is the final reset. Whatever comes up. These cases are some of the oldest on the docket, and they're going to go to trial the next time it's set. All right.
Sure.
Everybody needs to be prepared. But I'll give y'all some time to get that taken care of, and so that you can go over it with your client, and then we'll see you back at the next trial date.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. You're free to
Thank
go.
you, Judge.
Okay. Thanks. That's why we have so few on that one, because I think I'd especially, oh, well. Mr. Macon,
Yes, Your Honor.
you have Juan Martinez Rodriguez. It's a sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor. We had something to do.
Good morning. We need to get probably a court interpreter to go through all of this.
Okay.
I know we've used that, but I think for the plea, we used someone else, correct? We brought someone down here. You've come and tested and helped us interpret several times, but when we took the plea, actually last time we had someone else come help us, correct? Someone else came and did it. I don't. Can you see if Jennifer's available, please? Just because of the legal terminology on this one.
It was my brother, so when that came last time.
Okay, I just want to make sure we've got all the legal terminology down that I need to go over. If y'all will have a seat, I'm going to get someone that can come interpret that works for the court, okay?
Yes.
Thanks. And then you have Fernando Flores, Mr. Makin's is sentencing also.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning. You're Fernando Flores. And Mr. Flores, you were previously in court in cause number 25 DCCR 1231, entered a plea of guilty to abandoning or endangering a child. I've received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor, not from state.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney, defer all proceedings and place your probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay that $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is an excellent opportunity because you do not have a felony conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation period, if you successfully complete it, the case will actually be dismissed and you'll never have a conviction. The other side of that, however, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. You could be found guilty of the offense and sent to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. if you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation's going to call you up to her desk when she's ready to go over your paperwork. All right, good luck to you, sir.
If I can find finish.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Holmes, you have Carisha Mays. She coming down? Is Ms. Malfino coming down? What about Daryl Sneed? Are you ready on that sentence?
Yes, I don't believe he's here yet.
Daryl Sneed.
He didn't appear at his PS.
I'll take care of it next. Thank you.
He didn't appear at his PSI.
There's a warrant because of that. I've issued a warrant last week. So if I've already done the warrant for him, it's not a. Okay, so I still. But I do a forfeiture for him not showing up, even though there's already a warrant. I don't. All right, there was already a warrant issued for his arrest because he did not show up for the pre-sentence report. So we'll see if we can get him into custody and go from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Steve?
That's okay. Whatever y'all tell me to do on those. Mr. Macon on Juan Martinez Rodriguez. Good morning, ma'am. Would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that you will truthfully and accurately translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes,
Thank you. And sir, are you Juan Martinez Rodriguez?
that's one. Yes, already. Good. Yes.
And Mr. Rodriguez was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to theft of property.
Yes.
Here's something many people don't realize about the criminal justice system. Not every court appearance ends with a sentence. Sometimes a judge grants one final continuance so both sides can fully review the evidence and prepare for trial. That may seem like a delay, but it's actually a critical part of ensuring a fair process. In the next case, the court is dealing with newly discovered video evidence, something that could significantly impact what happens at trial. Do you think every piece of new evidence should delay a trial? Or should courts push forward once a case has already been pending for months? Let me know what you think in the comments.
I've received the pre-sentence report and reviewed it. Have you both had an opportunity to review it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Nichols?
Oh, I have, Your Honor, sorry.
Are there any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor.
Not by the state judge.
All right, sir. I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney and defer all proceedings for a period of 5 years. You're ordered to pay the $500 fine and follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. If you do everything you're supposed to on this probation, this is a great opportunity. Because you don't have a felony conviction on your record. If you successfully complete the probation, at the end of the case will actually be dismissed. If you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court. You can be found guilty of the offense and sent to prison for a period of up to 10 years. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm handing you the trial court certification.